This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. First up, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin this morning, I noticed setting up here near Camarilla pivot, or in this range here. This is Camarilla pivot S3. Let's tighten that up a little bit. This is Camarilla pivot S3. This is Camarilla pivot S4. This is a range of discount that Bitcoin is trading in this morning. These purple lines that you see, these are the Camarilla pivot points. These yellow lines that you see here, that yellow line's a price line. But these yellow lines that you see here, this is the current market structure. Let's do a top-down analysis here on the weekly. We can see that we're trading in a range right here, and we're near the top of the range. So an interesting place. Also, this may be putting in an isolated pivot up here on the weekly. So we could be seeing another test of this week low right now. Or it could potentially break out here to the long side here on the 4-hour chart, but seeing weakness here on the weekly. Here on the 4-hour chart, this being the current strong high, this being the current week low, but you can see there's been consistent selling here for some time here on the 4-hour. And here up here on the 15-minute, we can see this morning there's been some choppy price action here, and now coming into we're about 2 hours from the New York Open, getting some selling here, this being the current strong high, this being the current strong, or the current week low structurally here. And we can see in the current candle that Bitcoin is testing this current week low and may break down. If it does, it will move down here below S4, which would be an area of premium down here. So if Bitcoin offers a trading opportunity in this discounted range, I want to take it long. If it starts trading below this S4 level in this area of premium, I'm going to want to take a short position. So I'll need to keep an eye on Bitcoin to see what direction it may decide to go in, if any. Yesterday there was not a lot of directional movement for any sustainable period of time, or any trend, or even range plays, which I mostly play, were not available. So I want to keep an eye on Bitcoin to see what direction it may go in this morning. But right now, based on the higher time frames, the weekly and the 4-hour, it's showing weakness and currently selling off here on the 15-minute. But this S4 level could certainly hold. I would say I am more long bias than short bias in this area of discount. But we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin to see how it performs when the volume comes in. Next up, we have Ripple. So Ripple got my attention, setting up in the same area here. This is Camarilla pivot S3. This is Camarilla pivot S4 down here. And we can see Ripple trading in this area, or this range, this discount range here on the 15-minute. Down here on the weekly, this is the current strong high. This is the current week low. We can see Ripple trading in this range here, trading near the top of the range here, and potentially selling off back to the lower end of the range to test this current week low over here on the 4-hour chart. This is the current strong high. This is the current week low or potential current week low of this candle here, which looks like it will close as the current week low. So showing weakness here on the weekly and the 4 hour. Here on the 15-minute, again in an area of discount. So I would be long bias here with the trade up here to the R3 level. We can see some volume coming in here as this sell-off here, this 4 candle sell-off here close to the S4 level. We can really see the volume come in here, volume profile come in here as there's a test of the S4 level. So to me, showing weakness on the higher time frames, but on this lower time frame, showing support here at this S4 level. I'll be looking for the S3 to R3 traverse here on Ripple. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a minute. Let's look at the volume profile here. So we can see the volume profile here. So we can see the volume profile here. I'm not sure what I clicked on. Okay. We can see the elevated volume profile here as this candle moves into this discount area and comes closer to the S4 level here, S3. And then here, as we come in to test, we can see the volume come in. Yeah, this is, to me, on the 15-minute here, is showing strength, potentially a traverse up here to the R3 level. If support continues to hold this S4 level, but again, seeing weakness here on the weekly, seeing weakness here again on the 4 hour, and now back to Ripple. But yeah, pretty much seeing the same thing in Ripple, as I mentioned, weakness on the higher time frames, and then showing strength or support here on the lower time frame on the 15-minute. But I would anticipate, or I would say it's uncertain. I would say things look a little choppy, or like there's a bit of consolidation. So as far as in price action today or this morning, I am uncertain, but I do have an initial long bias on Bitcoin and Ripple on the lower time frames. But we'll see. We'll keep an eye on price action and see how it goes. This is On Tilt Trading with today's crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy.